In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase using Chatgpt. Whether you're a student needing to rephrase a paragraph for a paper or a professional looking to reword some content for clarity, Chatgpt is a powerful tool that can assist you in this process with ease and efficiency. We'll go through the straightforward steps needed to get your text paraphrased right away. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open Chatgpt. This can typically be done by navigating to your web browser and logging into the platform. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to follow the sign-up steps to gain access to this incredible tool. Once you're inside the Chatgpt interface, decide whether you want to continue in an existing chat or start fresh with a new one. Both options will seamlessly allow you to work with your text. If you're continuing in an ongoing chat, simply pick up where you left off. For new users, starting a new chat can keep your work organized and easy to track. Next, take the text that you're aiming to paraphrase and type it into the chat window. Make sure you enter it clearly, as the quality of your input can affect the final paraphrased output you receive from the system. Whether your text is a single sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs, simply input it directly to ensure the tool has access to the full context. Now, it's time to engage with Chatgpt by typing in your prompt. A good example of a prompt might be, "Please paraphrase the following text." It's important to communicate clearly with the AI so it understands exactly what you want it to do. Keep your instructions straightforward. It's always a good idea to keep prompts concise to improve accuracy. When you're satisfied with the prompt and your input text, proceed by selecting the send button or simply pressing enter. This action will submit your request and prompt the AI to generate a paraphrased version of your provided text. Once processed, Chatgpt will display the reworded content right there in your chat window. Using Chatgpt for paraphrasing is remarkably straightforward and can save you significant time and effort compared to doing it manually. With these simple steps, you can tweak and refine your content while maintaining the original meaning. This makes Chatgpt a versatile tool in your digital toolkit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give Chatgpt a try the next time you need to paraphrase something. It's fast, accurate, and can adapt to the nuances of your specific text. Thank you for watching, and happy paraphrasing.